Hi guys, Baban on PC here. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy thumbnails for your social media. And let's jump right into it. So first off, you need to open this web page that I use. I will leave a link in the description down below. It's canva.com. In here, we can modify everything about the thumbnail. And the limitation is only your imagination, you know. As creative as you can go, you can go. I'm maybe not such a creative person, but I will try my best to demonstrate on how to do it, and I'm certain you can do a much better job than me, but I will show you the steps on how to. First off, we need a picture. I like to use my face for a thumbnail. I think it's important. It's important for people to recognize you and to associate with your channel. And I think using your photo, yourself, is a good way to do it. So you just import the photo here. Like you see, the canvas is all the way up here till down there and from side to side. So we need to stretch the image. The purple or blue line will indicate when you hit the top of the canvas. So you can just stop there. And let's go the other side. Okay, now we need to fill in the gaps. It will make our photo a little bit bigger, which I don't mind. There is a few things that you can do to the photo. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, everything. So I will add a little bit of contrast. Okay, a little bit less, maybe 5, 4. A little bit of saturation to have my face looking a little bit more natural, I think. The blur slider is a nice addition. You can make your photos more blurry or more sharp. So if you go to the blurry side, you see the photo gets blurrier. But if you go the opposite side of 0, which is -1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, the photo will get sharper and sharper until it becomes, you know, unbearable. But in my experience, somewhere between 5 and 10 is an okay result. So once we have that done, we need to add texts and elements to our thumbnail. We can see here when you click on elements, you have many free ones to choose from. You can also type in search. They have a huge collection of elements that you can use for the thumbnails. I usually like to use just the simple one, the square one. You can shrink it then down. You can change the color here to whatever color you like. You can choose here a new color and just make a color that you want. Maybe you have a signature color for your channel, then you can use that, of course. I like to use random stuff. I don't know, maybe for this video, let's go with something, let's say purple, since it kind of matches with my PC right now. The video, you need to think about the title. I'm thinking to call this video Easy Thumbnails. So I will need 2 elements, which we can adjust also later on. So let's add another one. Click it and drag it onto the photo. You can make it larger or smaller, whatever you like really. But we will play around with it a little bit and see what we end up with, when all is done. It's maybe not the most flashy way, but it works. We need also to add a text. So you can add here like heading, subheading, or a little bit of body text. So the text size, let's say. So to use the text, just drag it onto here and use it again, drag it on to down here. And let's type in here easy thumbnails. Okay, now we can choose the font. There's again a huge amount to choose from. These ones are paid for, but the ones without a crown are all free to use. I personally like this Gagarin font. It looks cool. So let's put it right here, maybe a little bit bigger. Let's make this box a little bit bigger, so to have it really stand out. Okay, this looks somewhat nice. Let's make the box a little bit smaller to fit the letters, like this. Now we can change the color of the writing of the font. We can also make a custom color, or just use something that stands out, that is nicely readable. You want for people to be able to, you know, have a easy time reading. White for some reason looks pretty decent. It kind of stands out against the white background that I have here, the ball. And down here we can use maybe a different color. So let's choose here the font Gagarin again. Make it a little bit bigger. So like you see, you can adjust everything about it. Your creativity, like I said, is probably the most limiting factor, like it is for me. So like this, easy thumbnails. Maybe this one is a little bit too simple. We can add, you know, some extra thingies to it, but I'm not sure what to add. Let's maybe add a few photos down there. And let's use a few photos that I made before for my videos. You can add this one. Let's add a couple of other ones. Let's add this one. Make it smaller again. Here. Make this one smaller too. Let's add one more. Okay. So now we have a few more photos to add. And we can play around with the position of it. Like put one here. One we can tilt this way and put it maybe here or something. We can send it a little bit back, send backward. Let's send it backward some more until it is behind this writing. So like this. Okay, I kind of like the look of this so far. Let's make this one also a little bit smaller. This looks decent, I guess. Maybe the spacing is not okay. It's readable. Here's some thumbnail, something to associate people on what the video is about. And yeah, that's about it. This should be done. So you can add also more photos. You can, you know, play around with the colors, with vignetting maybe. Your imagination, your creativity is king here. So yeah, after this one is done, just go here, click on download, and download the picture. And the free version, it will only download in 720p, but it's more than you need for a thumbnail. So download it, and we are done. Easy as pie. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I also stream on Twitch like almost every day. Check me out, say hi. Thank you guys for watching. See you again soon. Bye.